All right, welcome back to the Rusty Pilot. We're out here at the hangar today watching airplanes land and getting ready to put Frank Haile's old VTOL back together. That's like something straight out of a Mexican drug cartel movie. But anyway, I bought into half of Frank Haile's old airplane, and it's been around the world 3 times. And we're just in the process of the annual, and we've got the engine out, and we're going to put the new engine in. It's coming from Thrustmasters there in Tulsa. But you know, this plane used to have really big tip tanks on it that were sold off on the Rounders website, where somebody else could enjoy the experiences that you know, Frank obviously lived a full life flying this thing around the world 3 times and had to have bigger tip tanks, and he picked up flags along the way there. Hell of a story behind this thing. Sort of weird to buy into a piece of aviation history. Pretty nice Ronald McDonald theme throughout, and you know, we got it tore down for an annual, but starting to put it back together. It's got a pretty good bit of glass in it. It's got an old Century 3 autopilot that probably needs to come out. But super excited to be out here and be a part of flying this thing, and a little bit of aviation history right there. So stay tuned and ride along.